Hello my dear students, welcome back to your GK class. Today we'll start a new exercise, that is exercise 28, United Nations. So first of all we'll talk about what is United Nations. See, United Nations is an international intergovernment organization which motives to spread peace and prosperity among the नेशंस. मीन्स ये एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो सारे नेशंस, सारी कंट्रीज़ को यूनाइट करती है, कोऑपरेशन प्रमोट करती है, पीस प्रमोट करती है, एंड इन केस कोई भी ऐसी कोई मिसहैपनिंग होती है देन दे लुक इनटू इट. इट वाज फाउंडेड on 24th of October in 1945 after the World War II. Now we'll talk about this exercise in detail. See, first is the answer the following questions. So in this exercise we are going to talk about all the points related to United Nations only. First question is, when was the United Nations founded? So it was founded on 24th of October 1945 after World War II. So here you need to just write the year. So it is 1945 after the World War II. Second is, why was it formed? क्यों? क्योंकि वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकेंड में जो काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रक्शन हुआ था, काफ़ी ज़्यादा इनोसेंट लोगों की जान गई थी, तबाही हुई थी. आफ्टर दैट टू प्रमोट पीस. सो द आंसर इज टू प्रमोट पीस, मेंटेन पीस एंड प्रमोट कोऑपरेशन. एक दूसरी कंट्री के साथ कोऑपरेट करें एंड पीस को मेंटेन करें. फॉर दैट, सो द आंसर इज टू मेंटेन पीस एंड प्रमोट कोऑपरेशन. Third is, how many countries were there when it was founded? कितनी countries थी present as the member of UN when it was founded? So it was 51. The fourth is, what does UNICEF stands for? See, the UNICEF stands for United Nations International Children's Fund. Now, dear student, what is the aim and motive of UNICEF? To provide and to look after the education of the children across the world. यानी कि जितने भी डेवलपमेंट और नए नए जो है पॉलिसीज़ बनाई जाती हैं रिलेटेड टू द एजुकेशनल स्टफ ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, दे डील इन टू इट. एंड फिफ्थ इज, व्हाट डज UNEP stands for? And it stands for United Nations Environment Program. And UNEP, it deals with the environmental policies, that how we can protect the environment, how good we can do for it. It deal into it. Next is India a member of the UN? Yes. 7. When is Human Rights Day celebrated every year? So it is celebrated on 10th of December every year. 8 is, where are the headquarters of the United Nations Human Rights located? So, it is situated in Palais Wilson Building in Geneva in Switzerland. So, if you write Geneva, Switzerland, that is also okay, but here I have written the full name, that is Palais Wilson Building in Geneva, Switzerland. 9th is, how many official languages does the United Nations have? Name them. So official languages of United Nations are, there are 6 official languages of the UN, which are Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. Last is, the United Nations has its own postal system. True or false? Is it? It's true. Now coming to the quick facts, UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. So what do the UNESCO do? ये जितने भी हमने पहले भी पढ़ा हुआ है सोशल्स में, ये जितने भी ऐसे मॉन्यूमेंट या कल्चर से रिलेटेड साइंटिफिक एंड एजुकेशनल जो भी मॉन्यूमेंट्स या जो भी ऐसे फोरम्स होते हैं उनको प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं एंड दे टुक केयर ऑफ दिट well. Now coming to more about the United Nations Charter is a document that states the main aims of the United Nations and the rights and obligations of each member state. तो यूनाइटेड नेशन चार्टर क्या है? एक डॉक्यूमेंट है, जैसे कि आप जनरली कोई भी चीज़ खरीदने जाते हैं, यानी कि कोई भी प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं, लाइक वेदर इट इज़ अ मोबाइल फ़ोन और रेफ्रिजरेटर और अ टेलीविज़न, तो आपके साथ एक बुकलेट आती है जिसमें सारी चीज़ों का नेविगेशन दिया होता है, लाइक आपको उसे कैसे यूज़ करना है। वैसे ही यूनाइटेड नेशंस चार्टर एक डॉक्यूमेंट है जिसमें सारे एम्स लिखे होते हैं यूएन के, एंड राइट्स लिखे होते हैं हर मेंबर के, एंड ऑब्लिगेशंस लिखे होते हैं, लाइक ड्यूटीज भी लिखी होती हैं, दैट व्हाट आर योर राइट्स एंड व्हाट आर योर ड्यूटीज. सो दिस इज in the exercise 28. Now we'll talk about exercise 29, that is sports stars of India. See, the first is Dash is the first Indian to win the World Junior Badminton Championship in July 2010. She claimed number 2 position in the world ranking of badminton players. Presently, she is ranked first in the world as per the Badminton World Federation's ranking. She is Saina Nehwal. Next is Dash has won 5 gold medals in World Amateur Boxing Championship. She won a gold medal in the 2014 Asian Games and a bronze medal in 2012 London Olympics. She is none other than Mary Kom. Third is Dash is one of the highest ranked badminton players from India. He won the Cyprus Badminton International Tournament in 2007. In 2010, he was ranked number 11 in World Badminton ranking. He is Chetan Anand. Next, Dash defeated Carlos Gangora in boxing quarterfinals on 20th August 2008 to win the first ever Olympic medal in boxing for India. In July 2009, he was facilitated with the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. He is Vijendra Singh. Next is Dash is a wrestler who won a gold medal in the 66 kg freestyle wrestling competition at the FILA 2010 World Wrestling Championship, at a silver medal in the 66 kg freestyle wrestling event at the 2012 London Olympics. He is none other than Sushil Kumar. Now the sixth one is Dash is a renowned tennis player. He is the third male tennis player in tennis history to win any Wimbledon title in 3 different decades. Now here decades means 10 साल का जो एक पीरियड होता है उसको हम decade बोलते हैं. So here we are talking about 3 decades. He won a bronze medal for India in the 1996 Atlanta Olympic Games. He is Leander Paes. And the last is Dash was the World Chess Championship in Dash was the world chess champion in 2013. He is popularly known as the Indian chess grandmaster. He has been honored with many awards by the Indian government. Now he is Vishwanathan Anand. Now coming to the quick facts. Milkha Singh, also known as Flying Sikh, won many medals while running without shoes. Second, hockey is the national game of India. Yes, hockey is the national game of India, but very few got excited when it comes to hockey. We are more excited about, I think, cricket. So we should now promote and we should give more support to hockey sport. And now coming to more about Indian hockey team was the first team to raise the tricolour on British soil after independence. This team thrice brought Olympic gold medals home in 1948, 1952 and in 1956. Leslie, Claudius, Dhyan Chand, Rooney are legends of Indian hockey. So that's all for today. Keep revising, dear students. Thank you.